Welcome to House Modern, where design meets purpose. From the very first sketch of this villa, our goal was simple: blend natural elements with modern structure to create an effortless living experience. So this is our living room. As you can see, it's very nice. It has a very good storage spaces. Then this is the guest room with 2 lamps, a very nice bed. Then this is our dining. It is spacious. You can add more chairs if you want. Yes. Then this is the lounge area on the first floor. There is plenty of natural light. Then this is the master bedroom. It is so spacious. You can add chairs if you want. Then this is the closet. So this is the changing room. Then this is the ensuite. That is it, guys. Subscribe.